How to access and use ChatGPT plugins. A huge AI update. To actually use plugins in ChatGPT, you need to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, and yes, it is a paid subscription. You can upgrade your plan to be able to access ChatGPT Plus together with its plugins. Once you have paid the subscription, this is how it would look like. You can find the plugins here in the drop-down menu, but you may or may not see these options. To make sure that you will see it, first, go to your lower left corner of the screen, then click the three dots and go to Settings. Now, simply select Beta Features and make sure that the plugin is enabled. Now that it is enabled, you will be able to see a list of different and a lot of plugins in ChatGPT. Just scroll through them and read all of their descriptions, and if you want that function, just simply click Install. Now, just remember that you can only enable three plugins at the same time. So if you want to use another plugin, just simply unselect the other and then proceed to select the one that you want to use. The maximum number of plugins you can use at the same time is 3. Now that you have installed a plugin, this is how you use it. For example, we have here Vox Script. It enables searching of YouTube transcripts, financial data sources, and Google search results, and more. If you have it installed, you can enable it and then start searching your prompt. You can have a lot of plugins installed and just follow the steps earlier and do the same thing for the others. Just take note that you can only enable 3 at the same time. Now that you understand this, just remember these 3 things about plugins. Make sure that you trust a plugin before installation. Take note that it connects to external apps and that ChatGPT chooses plugins during your conversations. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.